Welcome back. In this lecture we will be covering list and its type and how to convert a list into a navigation bar. There are two types of list, unordered list and ordered list. Ordered list is a list which is in ordered or in particular pattern, like in Roman numbers or in natural numbers. An unordered list is the list which is in unordered form. I am adding this list here because we will be converting this list into navigation bar. So this navigation bar must be on the top of the head. So UL for the unordered list and OL for the ordered list. I am using UL here. Both UL and OL means ordered list and unordered list consist of list of items, means LI. Home, shop, about, team, and contact. So and the last one is the register. So these are the items I have added for the navigation bar. So they are in unordered form. So this is the basic creation of list. If I am converting this unordered list into ordered list, then let's see what happens. So you can see the changes here. The list is in ordered form, in numeric form, but we need this list in unordered form for the navigation. Now we will be adding some styles in this list so that it can be converted into navigation list. I want if this home tab is clicked, it will navigate to the home section. If shop tab is clicked, it will navigate to the shop section. So I will be adding anchor, so I am adding anchor tag here. I have to put this home inside anchor tag. In the home section, it will navigate to home. So this is the reference of home. I will be adding all we have to do same for all of these. Add anchor tag in the remaining tabs. So I have made changes in all these. I have added anchor tag in all these list of items. If we click on the tab, it will navigate to its own section. Like if we are clicking on home, it will divert us towards home section. So I'm saving this. I will be adding style in this list of item. Float, this time right side. I will be adding another list item, which is the name of the website, Shoefly. So we can give this as a class. I want this title to be look like these tabs, but I don't want this title to be diverted when I click on this. I can add class here as a company name. Whenever we are styling any tag, to start with dot and then like class name, we just need to type the tag name. So I'm styling this unordered list into the navigation. So first of all I will style this unordered list in CUL here in the style tag. So type UL and start styling it. I'm giving this margin 0, padding 0 with 0, background color. In the background color we can write like green or blue or yellow, but I have a hexadecimal number. We can pick this hexadecimal number from Google color themes, or you can say color hexadecimal code. So you just need to go there. Now I will be using overflow hidden. So basically what is overflow? So this is the style which is used for data hiding. Data hiding means when we have data in exceed limit, means beyond the limit. Whenever we have data crossing the limits, so we want to hide that data. Now list style type means which type of list it is. Like we want to show this list in a vertical form or in a dotted form or in a numeric form. So I don't want this to be in a list because we are converting this into a navigation bar. So I'm giving this none. I'm saving this. So you can see here so this is the unordered list. We have converted this unordered list into this form. Now we will be adding more things to look like a navigation bar. So we have done with unordered list. Now we are moving to these list items, list elements. So first of all I want these list items to be float on left. Float is used for moving your data or your content towards particular direction. So I can give it here like float right, float center, but I need it, but I need float left, so I'm giving a float left. So we have moved these items towards left. Now you can see inside the list item there is an anchor tag, and inside this anchor we have navigation items name like home, shop, team and all that. So we will be writing like list of item and then anchor tag, because our data are our navigation bar item and their name are inside the anchor tag. So we have to give a proper tags here, list of item with anchor tag. Okay, so I want text to be center, so I will be giving text align as center. We can make it like left, right, it's up to you. So I'm using text align center. I want text to be in the center, and color of the text is white, like we are adding text color white. Text decoration, but it styles your text, means like you can underline your text, you can give a line between the text, and you can add line through the text. So I'm giving this like, then I don't want to style my text like underline, line through, between and all this stuff. I'm giving padding 14 pixels, from 14 pixels top and bottom, and 16 pixels left and right. So we just have one thing more to add. I'm adding the last property in this list item, which is display. So we can display our list items into different styles, like in a list, inline means in a single line, on a different line. For on different line we will be using block. So we want our navigation item to be on a different line, in a sense that they will be, each element will be treated as a different, so they will be not like in a combined section. If we are click on a one navigation item, the all navigation item will be clicked. So this is not the scene we want. We want each element to be different, so we are using display as a block. So each list item will be in a block, in a different block. Let's see, I'm saving this and refreshing this. So you see, like these each element are treated as a different block. We want to add the same property in shoe fly, which were on these navigation items like home, shop. And I have given this class name as, I don't need to write extra classes or extra styles for this. I will be adding like comma and the class name here. So this is company name, so I'm adding company name here. We can assign this style to different classes. If you want to add these styles to any other classes, you can add the class's name here, and you can see the changes here. First this was like going upside the website. In this lecture we have covered list and its type and how to convert a list into a navigation bar. In the upcoming lecture we will be covering hover and the focus property on the navigation bar.